Method 1. Using SADP tool. Most reliable. Step 1. Install SADP tool. Download from Hikvision website. Install on your PC. Step 2. Connect DVR to same network. Connect DVR LAN port, router, PC. Open SADP tool. DVR will automatically appear. Step 3. Select the DVR. Click the DVR showing inactive or active but locked. Step 4. Click Forgot Password. Bottom right, Forgot Password. Step 5. Export XML file. Click Export, an XML file is created on your PC. Save it safely. Step 6. Send XML file to support. Send the XML file to Hikvision Official Support, Local Distributor, your CCTV supplier. They will send you a password reset file, valid for 24 to 48 hours only. Step 7. Import file. SADP Forgot Password, Import file. Choose the reset file. Set a new password. Done. Method 2. QR code reset. Newer Hikvision DVR models. Some new Hikvision DVRs show a QR code on login screen. How it works. On login page, click Forgot Password. A QR code appears. Take a photo and send it to Hikvision Support. They send you a reset code. Enter code, create new password, reset successful.